Hey, I'm Mike Yarbrough. I'm one of the founders of Rustic and Main, and this is the Dark Star. I wanted to say it like that, Dark Star, because it's just a really cool ring and we gave it a cool name. Black is always a classic color, and we wanted to infuse a ring with some kind of black materials that didn't look too showy but still had a story behind it. This one actually has weathered whiskey barrels, so we actually take natural whiskey barrel and we put it through an ebonizing process, a centuries-old ebonizing process that actually naturally turns it black. And so we've got that prominently featured here in the ring. And then the really kind of cool thing here is that we actually have meteorite dust in the ring. And so this, you're wearing something that has been through the solar system, fell on our planet. So this ring is just a great conversation starter. It's got the whiskey story, it's got the do you like outer space story, and that's what all of our rings are really about. It's making that connection between something that you're wearing, but also your personality and something that really means something to you.